Alright, I already jumped into the video, but I'll be installing the G37 intake boot onto my EX35. At this time I was having a little idle surge where the RPMs go up and down, so I decided to go back to stock, see if it fixes it. Here's the G37 hose in comparison. To make this work, all we have to do is change this portion out of the intake boot. The original intake for the EX35s didn't actually have this bottom resonator on this intake hose, but after a couple of years they did make a revision, so the new updated part number does have this lower resonator. So the only difference is just this little connector here. You are going to have to use a hose clamp instead of the tension clamp. Now for the passenger side. A little comparison for the passenger side. Now we'll add the original connector from the EX35 onto the G37 boot. And that's pretty much how you replace your intake boots. After replacing the intake boots, it didn't actually fix my surging issue. That was actually my catalytic converter, so feature video on that too. Anyways, thanks for watching.